trial, almost 96% of people taking Xarelto did not have a cardiovascular event. Don't stop taking Xarelto without talking to your doctor, as this may increase your risk of heart attack, stroke, or cardiovascular death. While taking a spinal injection increases the risk of blood clots, which may cause paralysis, the inability to move. You may bruise more easily or take longer for bleeding to stop. Xarelto can cause serious and, in rare cases, fatal bleeding. It may increase your risk of bleeding if you take certain medicines. Get help right away for unexpected bleeding or unusual bruising. Do not take Xarelto if you have an artificial heart valve or abnormal bleeding. Before starting, tell your doctor about all planned medical or dental procedures and any kidney or liver problems. Enjoy every moment and help protect yourself from an unexpected one, like a cardiovascular event. Are you doing enough? Ask your doctor when it's time for Xarelto. To learn more about cost and how Janssen can help, visit Xarelto.com. Across the country, schools are having become sports. I'm Tony the Tiger, and I'm on a mission to fix that. Buy a box of all kids need Tigers.
I'm 52, but in my mind, I'm still 25. That's why I take Oscar Lifeline to keep me moving the way I was made to. It nourishes and strengthens my joints for the long term.
Osteoporosis now with full strength plus magnesium.
Did you know the cleanest looking cars can smell musty? That's because
Over here all snoring and shit. The hell is your problem, girl? What y'all over here all snoring and shit, girl?
Try Febreze Carpet Clip. Febreze stops the circulation of musty air by trapping and eliminating lingering odor molecules
Say hi.
for up to 30 days
Say hi.
of fresh, clean air. Plus, they come in a range of scents, including extra light. Stop the cycle of odors in your car with Febreze Carpet Clips. Brain power helping you buy better.
Say hi.